Welcome to our tutorial on how to post a photo collage story on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Step 2. Tap on Create Story, located on the left side of the screen, to begin creating your story. Step 3. To post a photo collage, tap on Select Multiple to choose multiple photos from your device. Step 4. Select the photos you want to include in your collage, then tap Next to proceed. Step 5. After selecting your photos, tap on the option for Photo Collage to create a collage with the chosen images. Step 6. Once you have arranged your photos in the collage format, tap on Share to post your photo collage story on Facebook for your friends and followers to see. By following these steps, you can easily create and share a visually appealing photo collage story on Facebook, showcasing multiple images in a single post. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to post a photo collage story on Facebook. Enjoy sharing your memorable moments through creative photo collages on your Facebook stories.